Pensioner punch for the first of the month. Wow, hello friends, it's the 1st of September 2019. Oh my god, where did the year go? Yes. Unbelievable. So, still some more days of summer left in Europe because, from what I know, the Spanish people don't use calendar months for the seasons. They use the solstice and equinox. So, although it makes me a bit nervous, 1st of September, that's the end of Europe. Did I do everything I wanted to do? I didn't do everything I wanted to do. That's a fact. I had a couple of week gaps in Madrid, seeing the apartment, planning, organising, not really doing anything. That's life. Money only stretches so far. Anywho, check it out. I'm in Porto. Dragged myself away from Costa Nova and the beach because it's quite cold there today. It was this morning. Cool. And having a day in Porto. My original plan was to just 3 nights in Costa Nova by the beach and then 3 nights here. I changed it because I had a bit of a meltdown on my birthday, which was last Monday, and yeah, it was only sunny from afternoons, so I stayed there longer. SOS, this is what happens travelling. So here for the day, easy to get to. Big river. I was just thinking, I love cities with a waterway, like either by the bay, river, both. You know, Madrid's a fantastic city, don't get me wrong. Brilliant, very livable, quite friendly in the barrio where I live. I've made, have some nice sort of uncle type relationship with the bar owner just outside of my apartment. However, it's landlocked, and I've lived in Ballarat in Victoria and Canberra for the last 6 years. So it's been 6 years, maybe 7. I left Melbourne 2013. 6 years, 6 years since I've lived by a bay or the ocean. And I think the time to get closer to the water is very soon. Anyway, that's a different topic. Yeah, feeling great. Yeah, the sun's come out after a cloudy morning. It's reasonably, of course, took the train in and gone right and hit the river as soon as I could to see the bridges, and it looks like that walk bridge is one of a popular tourist destination to see. Pardon me. I can see why. It's cool. I think it's a monastery on top of the hill there. And underneath there's some relic buildings. Oh, look at that. It doesn't appear to me that the Portuguese, I'll just say this, have as much respect for the historical monuments and buildings as what they could. I've said that as diplomatically as possible. No doubt it costs a lot of money to keep historical buildings and monuments alive and restored. I totally appreciate that. So I've just seen a lot of abandoned buildings on train trips and around where I've been staying. Some of them might not be very important. For me, an Australian, my country is very, very new. We don't have history like this. We just don't. So it's one of the things that attracts me to Europe and all countries is the history. So I feel a bit sad when I see that it's neglected and not looked after as well as what it could. It's easy for me to pass judgment than for it to actually happen. I completely and totally respect that. All right. Clean River. It's very big. Very big. Very wide. Okay, well, I've had a bit of a chat, shared some of my opinions, as I do. Oh, look, there's a cable car. I was going to say Telerifico, but that's what it's called in Madrid. All right. So, ooh, I love that building. I want to go and explore in there. Okay, have a great day or night, whatever the case may be, wherever you may be in the world. Ciao for now.